Is this thing on? Hello? Check, testing. Got crap all over my shirt. What is this crap right here? So why attend the Gadget Repair Expo? Well, I've got to go back to last time we had the Gadget Repair Expo and to really take into account how effective that event was for a first time event. And then the expectations for this one just being way more mind-blowing. This one's gonna be 2 days, right? And it's gonna be jam-packed full of industry leaders, conferences. You can network, learn, you can discover new vendor opportunities, look at all the exhibitor booths, which is gonna be there. I'm gonna be there as well, Axiom Armor. And so the biggest thing is for this time, it's going to be bigger and better, right? So obviously it's going to be really cool because there's Micromania, there's some competitions with micro soldering and some other things. So someone's going to get a belt title, but all that's fun. So it provides some entertainment and things like that. But the real reason to go and to actually shut your store down if you need to is because of what you're going to learn. It's invaluable to your business. And I'm not saying this as Mark Axiom Armor. I'm saying this as Mark with a repair company called Phone Axiom in Virginia. It's invaluable. The heads are going to be in one room. It's invaluable. The round tables or the type of conferences and the discussions and things like that. All the demos that are going to be, I think, on Friday, if I remember right. The panels that are going to be on Friday for questions to be asked, that type of thing. You have so many industry leaders in that same room that it's just going to be insane. There are so many companies represented there, including Axiom Armor and a bunch of other ones. Things from like point of sale systems to parts distributors, accessory distributors. There's going to be a bunch of like wholesale devices, companies, things like that. Everybody's going to be there, right? iFixit's going to be there. Blah 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 blah. There's too many to think of and list. So you really need to come, and the reason is to learn industry changing trends. So a lot of people are thinking, hey, the industry's slowing down, which it's been slowing down for 10 years. And if that is true, which I think it is slowing down a little bit, you need to know how to pivot and what to get into and what to now adapt to and do differently, right? So I know that training is a huge thing, like Cellbotics and others that have these platforms that you can actually learn a skill, learn a trade. So maybe you're not doing a specific type of repair. You'll learn kind of your avenues for exploring that. It's invaluable. Say you could come to an event. Even if you can only come one day and shut your store down one day, do it. So if you can come to an event for just say 1 day, 2 days would be better because you'll be able to take it all in. But say you're able to go to an event and learn one thing that you can take back to your repair shop that is going to make you 10%, 15%, 40% more margin. It's worth shutting down for, right? So hope to see you there. Come by and check out our booth, Axiom Armor. We will definitely be there, and looking forward to it. See you guys.